Hello everyone and welcome to a quick tutorial on how you can configure my Advanced DBM Music System to your liking, including a quick tutorial on how to get your own Google YouTube API version 3. So let's get started. You're probably here in this channel, hashtag music. Both of these messages are important. So first, let's go to the Selective Play Command raw data. We just click here. You go down here. It's a pretty long command. You go here, click Control A and then Control C. You go to your DBM, click Create New Command, right click and edit raw data, Control A again and then Control V. Save it, and now everything's in here except for your API key, which is quite important. Now, if this command add action 11 says await response call action and it says unknown action in red, what you have to do is go to the DBM mod server, go to mod preview, download the await response call action mod.js, and put it into your DBM actions folder and your bot actions folder. Now, what I mean by this is if you go here, go to project and then open actions directory, that is where all of the actions are stored that you use to create your bot. Now, if you want to put it into your bot action folder so that it actually runs the action, you go to project and then open project directory. Now, ideally, if you already exported the bot, you want to go obviously to where your bot is. So here's the actions folder, and then here's the await response call action. Wherever you have your finished bot stored, it has to have an actions folder, and you have to put the mod in there. Otherwise, it won't work. So now you can see all of these stored JSON from WebAPI, and this key will be blurred out. It's my personal key. Basically, what you have to do is you go back to here. You can go back to the raw data, scroll up a bit, and you can see here the API tutorial link. If we go here, you can watch it if you want. Basically, you have to go to this website here. And if this is the first time that you're using it, it might look a bit different. What you basically have to do is you have to go here, click New Project. Let's just call it Tutorial. You don't need to put in the location. Click Create. And then you go to Credentials. And then Create Credentials, API key. Copy that, and you need to go to Edit, API Restrictions, and then YouTube Data API. I'll be linking the this video down here if you want to check it out. And basically, what you need to do now is I'll just go to my project here, which is this one. Which is also this one. So again, this just blurred out. Then you go back in here, you select, this will say insert key here. You just copy that and paste it in. Boom, simple as that. And that's how you edit all of the keys. Now, unfortunately, and again, I've had a lot of people say this, you're just being lazy if you say, oh, I can't be bothered to change all of these stored JSON from WebAPI things. It's literally copy and paste. It can't be easier, right? So for those people who are moaning and saying, oh, it's too hard, you're basically getting this served on a silver platter, all right? Stop moaning. So yeah, I'll be definitely releasing more advanced music system. I think the next one is going to be a now playing command, possibly a view queue command, which is probably going to involve some kind of file manager. So stay tuned for that. And if you haven't already seen it, go check out my post server account to Discord bot list. Really nice. Thank you for Eggsy for providing the run script for that one. And yeah, so this selective play command obviously works with all of these commands here, except obviously for the play command. It doesn't really work. Two play commands doesn't work, but it works with all of the other commands. So you don't need to worry about that. The selective play command is just a sort of fancy add-on to that. So thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. If you're still lost, be sure to go to the raw data server. Link will be in the description. Go join support. As you can see, a lot of people are getting this. Action does not exist. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the server, hopefully.